Looking for the best eSIM for your next trip? In this video, we'll compare Airalo, Nomad, and Holafly to help you choose the right travel eSIM. We'll break down their features, pricing, and coverage to see which one suits your needs best. Plus, we'll talk about eSIM, which offers unlimited data packages, perfect for those who don't want to worry about data limits while traveling. Check out eSIM with unlimited data packages here. eSIMs are the future of travel, letting you switch between different carriers without needing a physical SIM card. Whether you're a frequent traveler or just need a reliable internet connection abroad, finding the right eSIM is crucial. Airalo is great for budget travelers with a variety of affordable plans, but data limits can be restrictive. Nomad offers flexible packages and solid coverage, but at a higher price. Holafly makes setup easy, but its lack of flexible data options might not suit everyone. eSIM stands out with its unlimited data packages, giving you peace of mind wherever you go. Get your unlimited data eSIM from eSIM here. Subscribe and like for more travel tips.